The MLA of the 19th South Shillong constituency, Sanbor Shilai, has termed the state BJP president Ernest Mauri as a dictator who had prompted many members to leave the party. Shilai also informed that the issue of appointment of a new BJP state president has been apprised through the national BJP president and also in charge of Meghalaya, Chuba Aw, to do the needful. When asked about the statement of the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma that was opposed by Mauri, the three-time MLA of South Shillong said that the BJP is a supporter of the MDA government and the Chief Minister has every right to make any statement to the party.
Yeah, a statement by IUCM, it's true. The statement which has been given by the Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya Conrad Sangma, it's a ground reality, it's a fact. It's not a surprise thing. Because as a Chief Minister, he's the head of the state, he's the father of the MDA government. You have got every right to give any statement or suggestion. So anything, if you have to pull from government, who is he to give the statement? He's a mere president selected by manipulation. Selected by the manipulation. I'm elected by the Constitution of India, by the people of my constituency, 19 South Shillong.
Kadaro ka jing challenge ng Mauri de ka statement ng siya mo.
He's a mad president. He challenged what challenge? Chinese challenge. He doesn't hold any water. Lade ngila discuss but newly appointed national president Dr. Chuba Aw ngila highlights you ya ka happening. But biasa ki news statement gini ay urulatip ba ke kasong ha kinoyalam juga BJP bangin siyang lang baro bangin aga joint statement dela ka BJP ke numu Dr. Chuba Aw from the day one bu ya kendu ingi di mulacha appoint sa tunggumu national vice president sa tunggumu in charge ng Meghalaya te ulah tip di kita kiki te ulah hin jangi ruba ini benyo ya ka complain not verbally but in writing